First and last usage of the Rotary Phone by Liam.
What do you have there, Liam?
What sucks to do is once I have a beard, then my chances of me working out become slimmer and slimmer.
Mm.
So you got to go for.
Mommy first.
Get your nails done. Go down to the gym.
Oh, Mommy. Hello, Mommy.
There's a
Hello, Mommy. Hello, Mommy.
jug of milk in there. You'll have some milk with this.
Bye, Mommy.
You'll have a little glass of milk with the sandwich.
So one for him, one for you, one you
It
have.
goes the other way. It goes like
Yes.
this.
Like this. Move.
And you're having one, aren't you?
See? I'm gonna have a beef.
Oh,
You have that too.
Oh,
if you want.
Mommy.
Yeah,
Oh,
and
Mommy.
that
What do you say to mommy?
that
Say I
one
love you,
doesn't
mommy.
have honey in it.
Mm.
Oh, Mommy.
Yeah, it's the same wheat bread we get.
Hello, Mommy. Me. Captain Liam. Hello, Mommy. Hello, Mommy.
Is Mommy talking to Liam?
Hello, Mommy. Daddy.
Oh, you're.
Hello, Daddy.
Hi, Liam. I don't have my phone with me. I can't talk to you without my phone. But you can talk to me. Are you talking to me on the phone?
Talking Mommy first.
Uh-huh. Talk to mommy first. Okay.
Hello, Mommy.
Say, where are you, mommy?
Hello, Mommy.
Say, when are you coming home?
Come home. Bye.
Bye. You gonna hang it up?